Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to restore your wallets in case you have broken or lost your X1 vault but you have the 4 X1 cards. So follow along. Here is the link for you to buy a new X1 vault. Connect your new X1 vault to your PC and open the Cypherock app. You will have to set up the X1 vault from scratch, so make sure you are in a safe and secure environment. Since you have already used Cypherock X1 before, click on the option which says I have already used a Cypherock X1 before. Read and agree to the terms of service. Set a password for the Cypherock app. Enter an email to get the authenticity results of your X1 vault. Your X1 vault is now being authenticated. The authentication was successful. It's time to learn how to use the joystick on the X1 vault. Toggle up, right, down, left, and center. Tap any one of the 4 old X1 cards below the X1 vault. Now tap each of the 4 old X1 cards one by one in sequence below the new X1 vault and keep it tapped until you hear 3 beep sounds. Card number 1, card number 2, card number 3, and card number 4. Your new X1 vault is now paired with the old X1 cards. Now you will need to restore the wallets from your old X1 cards. On the main menu of the X1 vault, select Settings. Find and select Restore Wallet from Cards. Tap any one old X1 card below the new X1 vault. Sync the wallets you want to restore. Enter the PIN for the wallet. Tap any one old X1 card below the new X1 vault. Tap another old X1 card below the new X1 vault. The wallet sync is complete. Use the same process to restore the other wallets. Your wallets have been restored. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to restore your wallets in case you have lost your X1 vault or broken the X1 vault but have the 4 X1 cards. Well done.